TONEX versus Helix Stadium, which guitar processor is better? Choosing the right guitar processor can completely change how you shape your tone without losing versatility. TONEX offers AI-driven amp modeling, while Helix Stadium delivers powerful hardware-based effects. TONEX and Helix Stadium are two leading guitar processors, but differ fundamentally. TONEX uses cloud-based AI to create authentic amp tones, while Helix Stadium is a dedicated hardware unit providing real-time effects and amp modeling with tactile control. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar processor developed by IK Multimedia that leverages cloud computing to deliver realistic amp and cabinet simulations. It works by sending your guitar signal to the cloud, where artificial intelligence analyzes and recreates the sound of iconic gear. This approach allows TONEX to offer a vast library of tones without the need for bulky hardware. Its strengths include unparalleled tone authenticity, constant updates with new models, and easy integration with digital audio workstations. However, TONEX requires a stable internet connection to access the cloud processing, which can introduce latency or limit use in offline situations. It's ideal for guitarists seeking a flexible, software-driven solution with deep tonal variety, especially in studio or home recording setups where internet access is reliable. Helix Stadium by Line 6 is a high-end hardware guitar processor designed for live performance and studio use. It combines powerful DSP-based amp modeling, effects, and routing in a compact pedal board format. Helix Stadium operates entirely offline, providing instant, low-latency processing with tactile foot switch control. Its strengths include robust build quality, extensive onboard effects, and the ability to save and recall presets quickly. Unlike TONEX, Helix Stadium does not rely on cloud processing, making it highly dependable on stage or in environments without internet. Limitations include a higher price point and less flexibility in expanding tone libraries compared to cloud-based solutions. This processor suits professional guitarists who prioritize hands-on control, reliability, and immediate access to a broad range of sounds during live shows or studio sessions. Comparing TONEX and Helix Stadium highlights key trade-offs. TONEX excels in delivering hyper-realistic tones through AI and cloud updates, but depends on internet connectivity, which can be a drawback for live use. Helix Stadium offers instant, reliable processing with physical controls, making it perfect for gigging musicians needing quick preset changes and zero latency. TONEX is more suited for studio environments where tone experimentation and software integration matter most. Helix Stadium shines on stage, offering rugged hardware and a rich set of effects without internet dependency. Both provide excellent amp modeling, but TONEX's cloud-based approach allows for continuous evolution of tones, while Helix Stadium guarantees consistent performance anytime, anywhere. Choose TONEX if you want cutting-edge AI amp modeling with a vast, constantly updated tone library, and primarily work in a studio or home setting with a reliable internet. Opt for Helix Stadium if you need a dependable hands-on guitar processor with instant access to effects and presets for live performance or offline use. Both are exceptional, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize cloud-based innovation or hardware reliability.